Sound is vibration. Everything in the universe vibrates, including us. Our bodies are incredible instruments, constantly interacting with the frequencies around us. Some frequencies can be jarring and stressful, while others can be soothing and healing. Think about the difference between the sound of a busy city street and the sound of a gentle forest stream. Both are sound, but they have vastly different effects on our bodies and minds. Just as certain sounds can cause stress and anxiety, others can promote relaxation and well-being. This is because different frequencies resonate with different parts of our being. When we expose ourselves to harmonious frequencies, we create resonance within ourselves, promoting balance and harmony. 432 Hz is often called the natural or earth frequency. It is believed to be mathematically consistent with the patterns found in nature, such as the golden ratio and the Fibonacci sequence. Some proponents suggest that music tuned to 432 Hz is more pleasant to listen to and can even have positive effects on water molecules. While scientific research on the specific benefits of 432 Hz is limited, many people report feeling more relaxed, centered, and connected to nature when listening to music tuned to this frequency. They describe the sound as being warmer, more harmonious, and emotionally engaging. 528 Hz is often associated with healing and transformation. It is one of the frequencies used in the solfeggio scale, an ancient six-tone scale thought to have powerful spiritual and healing properties. 528 Hz is said to resonate with the heart chakra, the energy center associated with love, compassion, and emotional healing. Some studies suggest that 528 Hz may have positive effects on DNA repair and cell regeneration. While more research is needed, anecdotal evidence and personal experiences suggest that listening to 528 Hz can promote feelings of peace, joy, and well-being. While the scientific understanding of sound healing is still evolving, the profound impact of sound on our bodies and minds is undeniable. Exploring the potential benefits of frequencies like 432 Hz and 528 Hz can be a fascinating journey of self-discovery and well-being. Incorporating these frequencies into our daily lives can be as simple as listening to music tuned to these frequencies, using sound healing instruments tuned to these frequencies, or even just spending time in nature and consciously listening to the natural sounds around us. By surrounding ourselves with harmonizing frequencies, we can support our overall health and well-being and tap into the profound power of sound to heal and transform.